price out video. So if you want to see how this is made, go watch the how it's made video on my channel. This is just going to be the price out. The crucible was about $40 roughly. I'm going to round up on most of this stuff to help you out pricing. The kale wool on the inside or the fireplace insulation, happened to get that for free, but usually it's going to run you about 30 to 40 bucks. Alright, now the metal drum. This is a 16-gallon drum. That was $10. You can find them at your local lube shop, a dealership, or any place that carries oil and grease. Sometimes they give them away for free, or go to scrapyard, find someone scrapping them. But I had to pay 10 bucks for this one. I couldn't find one. Now on both sides, I've got these black pipes. This was an 18-inch black pipe that was cut in half, so I saved money there versus buying two. Was like 11 bucks. We got the bell fittings were about $14. The bolts, I went and bought 3, already had those 3, but if you were to go buy them, they're probably just going to run you probably $6. I mean, that's overshooting it. These ones were like $1 something for all 3. The welding tips, those are going to run you about, you can get probably a 30 pack for like $8, and you only need 2, so you could probably find a 2-pack for $8, but might as well get the whole pack, and if they wear out or you got a welder, then you can use them. Flange fitting for the propane right here, I got 2 of those in a 4-pack, and that also ran about 15 bucks. Now for the Y connector, I did not make this. I didn't have it custom made. I looked into having that made or me making it, but I was able to find this whole setup with the gauge, off switches for both sides, so if one's blowing out the back, you can just turn it off and then quick turn it back on and it'll fire right back up, which I only had that initially happen when I ever first used this. Other than that, I haven't had an issue with it. So this part, the regulator and the valves and the hose, that ran me about $38. Propane tanks, those ones, this one said it was $5 at a garage sale. I actually ended up picking these up for free. Someone was just giving them away, and then you got to buy propane. So propane, you're going to be anywhere from, depending on where you're located, it's going to be like, I don't know, either $5 to $15, maybe even $25 to get them filled. So that's the setup. The bottom is kale wool as well. If you want to see how to build this and how it all came together, then go watch that video. A lot more detailed. And if you haven't already, go subscribe to the channel. Hit that button, hit the like button, because we make all right content around here when it belongs. So thank you guys for watching.